Good morning, everyone. This is Leigh Grantham. I am employed at Lowndes Middle School as a middle grades media specialist. And on top of that, I'm a mother, a wife, and friend, I hope. So how has this pandemic and social distancing been going for all of you? I have to admit, it is not going all that well for me. So this morning I decided I've got to do something. I've got to do something to contribute not only to the wellness of myself, but the wellness of my families and kids at school and my friends. So I had an idea. We're starting on a healthy kick this morning, and I had from a friend of mine about a year or two ago some dehydrated zucchini chips that I promise you, they were about 95% as good as the Lay's potato chips, if you can imagine that, but yet how healthy is that? So what I thought I would do is start sharing with you guys some creative ways to stay healthy through this distancing, not only mentally and physically, and I hope you're all doing well. So this is so simple. All you need is some zucchini squash and some yellow squash, which are very plentiful here in South Georgia, and our ag teacher, I want to reference Miss Pamela Ross from Lowndes Middle School. She's very good at growing these type of things. So if this goes well, Miss Ross, I'm soliciting you to grow some yellow squash so we can make these chips in magnitude to share with everyone at school. This is so simple. Please, you guys do not think that you need a bunch of expensive equipment to do this. First of all, you can go to the farmer's market and get the squash very reasonably this time of the year. Second of all, the slice on these things is very important. As you see here, I've got what would be, oh my goodness, that's probably a 32nd of an inch slice. And you do not need to do this with a knife. It would take forever. However, you do not have to have a lot of money. I have purchased a mandolin that I believe was $4.99. So I did drool over the $100 model and the $75 model, but you know what? I don't have a lot of storage space and I wanted something that was compact. So this was $4.99. I truly cannot remember if it was Walmart or Target, but I think it was one of the other. So $4.99. In addition, I did invest last year in a Ninja Foodie. And it is the one that has the pressure cooker option, the dehydrate feature. And I did want to let you know that I am not a person that is into every small kitchen appliance that comes across. I don't like to buy a lot of kitchen appliances because I find that they end up cluttering my countertop, cluttering my closets, and not getting used. But that one, it seemed to be so multi-purpose, so I said I'm going to give it a go. So just to give a boost to Ninja, I'm telling you the Ninja Foodie is worth every dime you will put into it. I encourage you to try it. We're no longer frying foods. We have fried chicken, we have fried fish in there, we even have fried pork chops, but they are not fried. They are air fried using olive oil with my sprayer back here, which is important, and the air fry feature, making them very healthy for you, for us all, because we all know that olive oil is good for us. So back to what we're doing. Now we're off the Ninja Foodie. However, that is expensive. Tip, Kohl's. They do allow you to use your 30% off coupon on Kohl's to get the Ninja Foodie. I found that that route was even cheaper than Sam's, but you do your shopping and find out. However, we do not have to have that. Another option is simply a cookie drying rack in a sheet pan, putting your oven on the lowest temperature possible. So there are also some countertop model dehydrators if you want, if you do this and you like it, that are not as expensive as the Ninja Foodie. So this is what we're doing today. I split my recipe in half because I want to try the seasonings, and I'm going to share this recipe in the details at the bottom of my post. And I want to give credit to Leigh Rizik. She's from Healthy Starts in the Kitchen. She's a blogger. She writes Healthy Starts in the Kitchen, and I got the recipe from her. So what I did is cut the recipe in half so we can try the seasonings, and then if we like it, we will do the other half. I simply save the other half of the seasoning. I did 5 cups instead of 10, and we're going to fill up this little dehydrator rack. This is an option we bought for our Ninja Foodie. I ordered it online from Amazon, and it fits down in the Ninja Foodie so that you've got basically a countertop dehydrator, a little bit smaller than a lot of the models that are sold, but it works just fine for this. So we're going to get this going, and then I'm going to come back and check in with you guys. It actually takes anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. One of the people that have written some wonderful posts regarding dehydrating recommended that after you eat your dinner at night, after you clean up your kitchen, is when you load your dehydrator, say 10 o'clock at night, because most things do take 8 hours. That way they dehydrate overnight and they're ready in the morning when you get up. So that's all I have for now. We'll come back in a few minutes, actually several hours, and check on the quality of this and see the yumminess. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.